Baby Jake. He's now 1 month old. We don't know how many pounds he weighs. He's already met his sister and me. He brought him lots of gifts. Held him many, many hours. Fed him. Second day she came over, we gave him a bath. He can hold up his head a little bit better, but he still looks like he has no neck when he sits up. He drinks milk every 4 hours. He's pretty easy to take care of. He cries only if he wants to be held, or he's hungry. Why don't you hold him up?